Welcome back to TechCloud TV. It's your boy Trung here. I know the markets are bleeding. Hope everyone's doing okay. But today's video is going to be based on newbies and crypto lingo. So we want to get everyone in the loop of all these acronyms and all these sayings and just the basics of crypto. So if this video interests you, keep watching. Subscribe, like, and share this to all the people that need to know all these basics if you want to get in crypto. So let's get it.
Bitcoin was a cryptocurrency created in 2009 by an unknown person or entity using the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike traditional currencies such as US dollar, Bitcoin is controlled by the bank or government and is the most valuable and popular currency today. That's why you're listening to this channel. So next one is blockchain. Blockchain is a digital ledger. It's key technology underpinning most currencies, non-fungible tokens, more on that later, and other unique digital items. Blockchain can be used to store all types of information, but so far it's mostly commonly used in recording cryptocurrency transactions. Once the transaction is made, it's entered in the public ledger, which is managed by the global peer-to-peer, which consists of millions of computers in Bitcoin's case. Blockchain is the fundamental to Bitcoin's appeal. As decentralized database, it can't be controlled by a person, and it's not like a US dollar, which is managed by a central bank. Let's get into the next one. So the next saying is buy the effing dip. So BTFD. This happened this week when the price of Bitcoin dropped from 60,000 all the way down to 30,000. So multiple people or multiple entities bought the dip and raised the amount up to 40,000. As you can see with crypto, it's very emotional. So when there's a sell-off from a big organization for whatever what it is, people get emotional. They can see the loss in their coins and they sell it. It is a good opportunity to buy into it. Not financial advice, but this is what experts and veterans of cryptocurrency do. They usually buy on red days. They have money really available, and they take advantage of people's emotions. And a lot of newbies that sell out when they see their values drop down. So the next term is exchange. So exchange is what it is, where you convert your money into cryptocurrency for whatever it is. Very similar to when you travel overseas and you change your native or your home country's currency into the native country of where you are and where you want to spend it. Coinbase is the most popular exchange out there. It's safe, secure, and that's the reputation it has. It doesn't have all the currencies available, but when currencies do get there, it makes the project a little bit more legit. It's like buying on Amazon, on like the best place possible for crypto. There's a lot of fees, so yeah, it's the mainstream, very easy to buy cryptocurrencies. I recommend it for people who do not understand how to transfer tokens and older people, grandparents that want to hold cryptocurrency. So yeah, so onto cryptocurrency. It's pretty much all digital money system made up of coins or tokens and controlled by a decentralized ledger. Another one is Dogecoin. It's a meme coin that I spoke about in the video a couple of weeks ago. It got a lot of media attention or mainstream attention as the founder Elon Musk had a special, which is covered in the video I talked about. It went all the way up to 70 cents, and now it's gone back to around 40 cents. Smart investment or not, that's the question. It's up to you. But in terms of the price it is now, there's multiple projects that do more things that you can get more profits out of. I mentioned Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the Tesla CEO. He's recently on Twitter, bringing up the price and also bringing down the price of Bitcoin. Follow us on Twitter. Our handles all down below to keep up with all the latest. So Ethereum is the second most popular cryptocurrency. Its market cap is around 300 to 500 billion at the moment. It's known as the cryptocurrency gas. So if you were to transfer tokens from one wallet to another, there has to be a cost, and that cost is paid usually in Ethereum. Next one is FUD. So this stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So in the crypto space, FUD refers to negativity that weighs on an asset's value. So let's say, like this week, Elon Musk said that Bitcoin takes a lot of electricity to run. So him saying that and not allowing Bitcoin to be paid to buy Teslas anymore is negative information that caused the price to drop. People to get fearful, uncertain about Bitcoin, and doubt. So then it causes a fluctuation where people sell and the price drops. So the next one is HODL. So the history of HODL was actually meant to be spelled hold, but because someone spelled it incorrectly, the cryptocurrency community just went with it. What it stands for is hold on for dear life. There's other iterations of hold on to effing life, dear life. What that means is you get community members of a cryptocurrency, let's say Bitcoin. They have the discipline to hold the coin, and they believe that the coin's going to reach a certain price. So if I had the belief that the coin's going to reach $1 million, little changes as it going from 50,000 to 30,000 wouldn't affect me. I have a long-term standing in it, and hopefully I wanted to get to $1 million, and I believe in it. Then I would say I'm holding HODL. So next one is mining. Mining is basically put. It's the process where you have computers. On the computer, it solves mathematical puzzles, and it creates a new blockchain. So this allows you to it allows all cryptocurrencies to be able to move from one place to another. NFT is non-fungible tokens. It's gone really popular lately. Think about a painting, the Mona Lisa. So imagine we can take that painting and put it into a NFT. So the NFT will be signed off as the original, and that could be sold off to someone else. I guess the doubt around that is, why do you need that for? But do you think about owners of NFTs or any collectibles, signature sporting cards or shoes? It's pretty much the same thing, but just in digital form. Next one we spoke about him recently, just a couple of seconds ago. Satoshi Nakamoto. He's the inventor of Bitcoin. The next one is Satoshis or stats. So this is a measurement of 1 millionth of a Bitcoin. So if you got a new token that comes out, rather than saying it's 7 cents and not knowing if it's USD or European or Australian dollar, stats is the universal known. So you're saying that it's one stat because it's one of a millionth of a Bitcoin. It's just the universal language some cryptocurrency investors like to use. Next one is wallet. So wallet is very similar to the wallet you have, the physical wallet you have, but this is a digital one. Key thing here is don't ever lose your private keys, and don't ever share it. So like a good way that Big Boss twins do is they put on a piece of paper, they cut it up, and they put it into 2 bank safes or bank repositories, and so no one can ever get it from one place to another if it gets hacked. They only get half of it, so it's really hard to for you to get all their cryptocurrencies on their wallet. Next one is Node. A Node, I touched on it. A Node is a computer that you have. It might be your personal computer that you have running the blockchain, the version of the blockchain that's synchronized to all the other nodes on the network, and that's used to maintain that network. So let's say we had Ethereum Ethereum nodes, there's a set limit because it's proof of stake. You can put all your tokens in, and you can actually be a node. And if you don't have enough tokens or enough coins, you can join with the community, and from that, the benefit of that is there's rewards, and costs. So when I transfer Ethereum to yourself, there's a node. The node does the work, and as a sender, I have to send some of that goes to the fees, which they take out of my transaction, and that's agreed to before I actually submit it. The next one is altcoins. Altcoin is anything other than Bitcoin. Next one is market cap. So this is a tricky one, which I'll go into later if you want. It's the total value of cryptocurrency calculated by the multiplying supply of coins to set a current price. So let's say I have 100 coins total, and I basically the value of it is 100, and I have 100 coins. The current price would be 100 over 100 equals $1. So you can do that to every other cryptocurrency out there to get that price. But yeah, if you want more detail, I can put it in the next video. So the address is alpha numeric strings of numbers and letters, which is unique to a wallet. No wallet will have the same amount of strings. So let's use the example of Ethereum. So if I was to send you Ethereum, I would need your Ethereum address to send it to. There's a play here where you only can send the same coin to the same wallet. So let's say if I had Ethereum and I sent it to you to your Bitcoin wallet, that money would be lost because there's two different wallets. So there's multiple cryptocurrencies out there in the blockchain. This is a common issue we have with the community, with especially newbies. Make sure that you understand what you're doing when you're transferring before you actually do it. So reach out to us in our socials or DM myself. I'm happy to help. Fiat is money that the government has issued as legal tender in whatever country you're in. So next one's fork. A fork is when the cryptocurrency is updated. So think about Bitcoin. When Bitcoin first created, there was only one Bitcoin currency, but now there's multiple: Bitcoin Diamond, Bitcoin Cash, to name a few. They were created because there was a update to the code for Bitcoin, and as a side effect, they can't go out and change every token out there to the new code. So what happens is it creates a new currency, and it actually so that's how Bitcoin Diamond and Bitcoin Cash was created. Next one is whale. So a whale is just a person or entity that have a large amount of cryptocurrency. Think about Tesla. Tesla bought millions, if not billions, of Bitcoin, and think about when they sold their Bitcoin, it fluctuates the market. You think about a big whale when it swims, it causes big waves. So that's the synergy between cryptocurrency whale and a whale in real life. Next one's ICOs. I will have another video explaining ICOs, but for the time being, it stands for initial coin offering, similar to IPOs, but in the non-crypto world. It's where a project allows you to invest in them at an early stage, and then you reap the benefits. Think about Ethereum, where it was an ICO. Roughly, on top of my head, it was like 10 or 50 cents when it first started. And if you got in on that, then your massive profits, with the price today just fluctuating around mid 2,500. Next one's white paper. Every legitimate project out there will have a white paper. Legitimate, you can see the legitimacy on these projects by looking at the white paper, understanding what the token's about, the project, the people on the team, and end goal. So a white paper is pretty much the design of the whole project and the token and the team. Next one I want to talk about is mooning. So you hear this when in social medias and in Telegram is when a token increases value astronomical. So let's say that I bought a token for a cent and it went in a day or a couple of days, it went up to $1. Yeah, within 3 days, under 3 days. That's what the definition of mooning is. Next one is airdrops. So airdrops, think about airdrops as in people falling out of a plane with parachutes, maybe have a gift like a USB key or a hard drive coming out of that. Once you get that vision, then you can see about like a new cryptocurrency. If I create a new cryptocurrency called TechCloud TV, what I'll do is send out my token out to people out there, and what they have to do is just try to promote the coin. Either it's a post on social media saying that hashtag TechCloud TV has a new coin, I love it, or whatever. That allows the social media world to see that this count is coming out, and it creates a community and some awareness. It's usually for free, but for free is in cost, but there's usually some sort of task you have to do, just like posting, as I've just explained. And the last one is subscribing. So this is the end of the video. So subscribe, like this video, and click on the bell notification so you get the new videos. We're committed to doing weekly videos. So stay in touch. Comment on this video if you didn't like it. If you liked it, if we can go into anything that we've discussed today. And I'll see you in the next one.